And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today marks the end of an era. In 72 hours, we gotta be out of the rental house. In the last video, I told you guys it was gonna take me 6 hours to get everything out of the house. That number could not have been further from the truth. I have so much garbage. I have so much nonsense. I have no idea where I've accumulated this stuff from. Mr. Oscar Marshmallow is not very excited about leaving the neighborhood, are you, bud? You're gonna like the new house. All the square footage. Where did I accumulate all this junk? It's so crazy. There has been so much transition in the last couple of videos. We're moving out of the rental house. We sold the Lusa, we sold the Safari. You guys saw the title thumbnail to today's video. Yes, we are selling another supercar, but first we gotta move everything off to the warehouse. We're not living in the warehouse, okay? Every single possession I own will be in the warehouse, and there might be a lot of late night projects in the warehouse. We're gonna do a lot of work in the warehouse, but there will be no living whatsoever. I know we've sold so many cars, and I get it, I do, but like the vehicle we're selling today, I just haven't driven that much, and it is worth so much money, and all that money is going directly into concrete. We're trading out a Lamborghini for concrete. Yes, unfortunately, for the first time in my entire life, I have officially sold a Lamborghini. Now, I don't want anybody judging me. My warehouse is an absolute disaster, okay? I'm not a hoarder. I just haven't had time to throw anything away. It's only gonna get worse because we got a whole truckload. The funniest part about all this, in 1 week, we're gonna be moving stuff from the warehouse to the new house. We're gonna do it again. We're going up these stairs right now, and next week, I'll be taking this same box down said stairs. I know what you guys are thinking right now. Why in the world are you watching this? Why are you subscribed to my channel? We legit move boxes from one place to another, and I complain about it, so. And yes, this is a hood to my Lamborghini Aventador. Yes, if you were wondering, we have two Aventador hoods. We have a 458 bumper in my bedroom. And when I say bedroom, I don't mean bedroom. I mean workspace environment. This is not a sleeping area. There will be no sleeping, only working. And yes, we have more car parts. In my youth, moving was so much easier, but I'm getting old. Now, I don't know the specific logistics behind how to do this, but I think we need to have a garage sale, and we gotta sell everything, like everything except for obviously the tech server. obviously we're not selling that. And truckload number 1 of 47 is complete, if I knew how to lock a door. It's such a bittersweet feeling because moving into the new house is gonna be an absolute dream come true, but I've been living in this neighborhood for so long. It's so nostalgic driving down this street. This is one of the this might be the last time we ever film driving down this road. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. In this video, we're just gonna move boxes from the house to the warehouse. No, we're not. We're not moving any more boxes in today's video. Now, next video, we're moving couches, we're moving beds, we're moving a lot of boxes, but we have a Lamborghini to sell. Now, I know it's sad. We sold another car. I'm gonna miss this Lamborghini so much, but there's a bombshell, and the bombshell is I sold a Lamborghini and I'm replacing it with another Lamborghini that I just bought. That's right, we just bought another Lamborghini, and on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by ShipStation. Now, I first started working with ShipStation about 2 years ago with StradMerch, and it has completely transformed my business. It saves me time and money, but it also saves me the stress of shipping logistics. If you have a business, you know how annoying shipping out products can be, and you also know that this holiday season, it is gonna be completely overwhelming. Before you're overwhelmed, let ShipStation help save the day. Let you focus on customer relations and growing your business and not worrying about silly shipping logistics. Did you know that 130,000 companies have used ShipStation to grow their business, and over 98% of companies that use ShipStation for 1 year become customers for life? Now, maybe you're starting a new business, or maybe you're scaling a current business. With ShipStation, you can make ship happen. Maybe you have an Amazon, an Etsy, an eBay. Maybe you're a Shopify seller. With ShipStation, it's super easy to consolidate all your orders into one simple interface. And with ShipStation, you get access to deeply discounted shipping rates that are normally reserved for Fortune 500 companies. Makes it super easy to compare shipping rates, delivery times, as well as shipping carriers. And guys, your customers are gonna love you because with ShipStation, you can actually have them send out automated shipping updates to your customers. And it really is just that easy. Ship more and grow more with ShipStation. Go to shipstation.com/StradMan and sign up for a free 60-day trial. Start today and get set up before the biggest shipping season of the year. That's 2 months free. Visit shipstation.com/StradMan. This is such a bittersweet moment. This is the last time we're having a little mini car show here in the neighborhood. I've lived in this neighborhood for so long. You guys think I've been here for 1.5 years. I've actually been in this neighborhood for 5 years. I'll tell you more on that later. So the owner of the Lamborghini is gonna be here momentarily. Oh goodness, Sunday morning car show in the neighborhood. Very nostalgic. It's crazy to think this is the last of its kind. at what these guys are doing here. I can't get rid of you. What do you got? Oh, looking nice, Yogi. What's up? What's up, Chandler? What's up, guys? Oh, you here to get the Corvette? We're not selling that today.
No, we're getting the Jeep.
Oh, the Jeep? No. Now, it has to be clarified. None of you guys are actually buying a car today.
I think we're...
Maybe. There might be some negotiating, but you guys got me a housewarming gift?
Yeah,
are you kidding me?
We left the price
Every
tag
time
on.
I see you guys. Okay, I love that. Wow, wait. Are you going to teach me how to cook, though? How to grill?
We brought some steaks, too.
Oh, are you serious? Did you actually? Oh, yo, and these are the good. Dude, you guys don't mess around. What's up, dude? You made it.
Dude, we made it.
Congratulations, first Lamborghini.
Dude, super excited.
Damon, welcome to the channel. So Damon lives in North Carolina, and Damon is friends with all these idiots over here. These guys buy all my cars, and now their friends are also buying my cars. So, you're buying a Lamborghini. Have you decided which one you want? Because we have an Aventador, we have a Murcielago.
I think I'm gonna get the Urus.
Really? Okay. Officially, congratulations. You have balloons on your Urus. The key. You definitely need the key. I think we need a couple revs. So I'm moving out of the neighborhood in 2 days. Oh no! Catch him, David! No! Let's go! Did you see that vertical? That was some athleticism right there. Wow. Okay, a couple baby revs because I'm moving out of the neighborhood momentarily. So honestly, it doesn't matter. You guys know this has the FI exhaust. It sounds like an absolute freak. Couple more. Okay, you've definitely had a Lamborghini before. That's not your first rodeo. Sounds so good. I'm gonna miss this car. Such a cool vehicle. The 4 guys on camera right now have all bought a car from me, and so I offered to let them all sit in the Bugatti. Any one of you guys could buy. You could buy collectively, 25% each. That's actually not bad. Each have it for like 75 days a year. That's not bad.
That would be great.
Garrett, you fit perfectly. You look good in that. What color is your Bugatti? Pink and chrome, eh? Don't hurt your knee. I'm not even gonna say anything. I know, just take it. Just have fun. Enjoy it for the rest of the day, the rest of your life. Enjoy it as long as you want to. It rips so good. I love the sound of the FI exhaust. Any tickets are your responsibility. I take no responsibility whatsoever. Oh, I am gonna miss this Urus. The spec is so sick. You look good. You look really, really good. He has a mullet and he drives a wide-body Corvette. Now, obviously, we had to bring all the boys to check out the new house. Guys, we are getting so close. You can see the driveway is fully paved now. It looks so good. So, Damon, you're into real estate.
Yep.
You just started a YouTube channel. I'm going to link it below. And you're going to be doing all sorts of really cool real estate on your channel, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Definitely go and subscribe to my channel and check it out. I'm going to post all my different deals, what I'm doing on them, how I'm getting to start to finish, and, you know, going through all this.
So once my house is done, I got to get into real estate. I got to learn everything that you know. Because you have the 720S, you got the Urus now, but your house in North Carolina has a helipad.
Yeah, it does.
It has a helipad, boys. I need to get a helipad. I don't know if that's legal here. Now, is it a functioning helipad?
Yeah, it actually is functional.
That's so sick, dude. We got to get a helipad. Chandler rolls up to the house. He's like, I got an idea. Let's hear it. Everybody comes to my house, and I always get so worried, like, are they going to like it? Are they not going to like it?
No, I love the house.
Oh,
Not
okay,
even about the
okay.
house. Here's my idea. You just need to wrap this either pink or purple, and then Ryan will 100% buy it.
Really?
Yeah.
If the
I
Corvette
would
is
do
pink,
that.
you will buy it.
I would buy the Corvette if it's pink.
Clayton, you don't know this yet, but we're wrapping that pink. Wait, are you actually serious? Are we actually serious right now?
I'm actually dead serious.
Wait, really?
Friends
ordered a Corvette that color.
I
so that's
can't
been the
buy a
issue
blue
all
one
along.
because my best friend
What
bought
if we
a blue
wrap the
one.
Lusso pink too?
I like the sound of
Okay, the pink arm, babe. Urus pink?
Nah,
Yes,
I don't
yes, yes, yes. They say yes. Come on, Damon.
I don't know.
Real men wear pink. Drive pink. You know, we filmed so many videos here at the house, and it's always just been a house, but now it's officially a home.
Yes.
The first grill. Of course, we brought the Traeger with us. We're gonna be grilling some steaks right here at the house. This is a no-joke barbecue. What are these pellets?
These are hickory. Traeger hickory
Top
pellets.
quality
The
pellets.
finest
Not the
pellets
knockoff
money can
stuff,
buy.
not the
No,
peasant
name
stuff.
brand,
This is
baby.
the name brand,
Name
baby.
brand.
We got this steak. We even brought seasoning.
That's right.
Now, unfortunately, I had no silverware to provide because I'm not an actual adult, but we're just gonna eat with our hands as we should, right?
Caveman style.
Caveman, baby. So probably like 15 times today, Chandler said, let's go at the end of a clip.
Let's go!
There you go. Dude, could you imagine though if I knew how to grill?
It's easy.
That's
We're
a lot
learning.
of salt.
Yeah.
You don't mess around.
No.
Dude, this is crazy. That is a lot. You're still going. Is this normal?
It's normal.
Is it okay?
This is gonna be good.
It was so good. It was so. See it! Come on, David! So loud! That thing is so loud. God bless frequency intelligence, and luckily the C8, we have the same exhaust. That thing is so cool. Damon's gonna absolutely love it. He is maximizing the potential. Accelerate like your life depends on it. And out of nowhere, we have the legend, Mr. Great Elbow himself, Kyle. Let's see it, Kyle. That car is so good. These three cars together look so amazing. I love the blue on Kyle's Type S. Now I gotta give Kyle a shout out, dude. Thank you so much. So Kyle's the plug. Kyle actually sold the Urus for me. Thank you, dude.
No worries.
Thank you so much. That Urus looks so good. I'm gonna miss that. Damon, dude, you just look good in that car. Dude, congratulations.
Hey, thanks, bro.
Congratulations. I love this Urus so much. I know you're gonna love it. So we're shipping this off to North Carolina in a couple days. But Damon, like I said, he's got a YouTube channel. Guys, go subscribe. Real estate, you are a guru. If someone wants to get started, you're the guy.
Yeah, absolutely. I can help you go from getting your first property all the way up to scaling to 80 doors, over $20 million in rentals, like almost $1 million in passive income a year once I get it all paid off. And so it's gonna be absolutely the way to go. Come subscribe to the channel, I'll help you do the same thing.
Dude, I love it, man. I'm gonna talk to you soon. As soon as my house is done, I gotta get into real estate. I think we gotta add real estate to the channel on some level. Maybe somehow car theme, maybe not. It's always such a bittersweet feeling selling one of the cars, but that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. We sold the Urus, we sold the Lusso, we sold the Porsche Safari. That's it for a while. We're not selling any cars for quite a while. We're taking all those cars, all the money, and putting it directly into the house. And on that bombshell, today's video, yep, it's over. A master at work right here, ladies and gentlemen.
You gotta speak to the meat.
When I say idiots, that's the most endearing term I could possibly say. I love you guys. You guys are all awesome. It's not just because you guys buy my cars and you buy me Traegers. Are we cooking? When are we cooking? So apparently we're grilling today.